शिफ्ट मुंबई केला सनबर्न सर
आउट ऑफ गोवा.
आय विल स्पीक टू हिम. म्हणजे जो प्रमोटर हा त्याचो एवरी इयर Harry used to be the main person who used to organize it. Sunburn is already sold by their parent company. It is gone to somebody else, some other people, some other company has taken over. But I will also try to speak to them to bring that back to Goa. And I will tell Minister for Tourism, because it brings a lot of tourists to Goa. Lot of tourists means I'm talking about 80,000 tourists to Goa. So they are all people who come and stay in different hotels, guest houses, then resorts. There is a economic flow at that particular time, especially as far as all restaurant, cafes, taxi, rent a car, rent a bike, everything is concerned. So the economy, it is good for our state economy.
But you welcome it, or you think
We want it to come back. So if they have not finalized everything, then I feel that tourism minister, CM, everybody should work an extra mile to bring it back.
But
because it is a brand. See, Sunburn is a brand which took tourism of Goa to the next level also, because we have to also consider them that they were also instrumental to take brand Goa to a next level.
But
तारीख बीन ठरयल्या सर सध्या.
मात खंय तुमकां गोंयानूच जाय काय म्हणजे वागातोरान जाय काय गोंयान येयला जाय?
No, destination should be Wagator, because the place belongs to Komnidad, and I feel Komnidad will work out the differences between them, because there were some differences of amount which they had paid earlier and what the Komnidad was asking. So Komnidad should work, means if they are coming and if there is a so-called demand or a letter or some representation which comes to Komnidad from them, if they decide to do the Sunburn in the state of Goa.
What about people's fear?
What is the fear?
Issues. When we talk about this event, what about people's fear when they talk about certain issues
What is the issue?
like drugs and
See, Sunburn doesn't sell drugs. Drugs count, and that is the job of anti-narcotic cell and the Goa police to investigate who is bringing drugs and who is selling drugs. It is their job, and they have done a good job for the last 2 years. You see the number of drug cases being booked in the state of Goa.
But बरे झाले गेले ते नाका आमकां जावं म्हणटा.
रवी नायकाक तितले लागोना न्हू ते. It is good for the economy of the state as far as the economy of the local people who are depending on this activity, that is tourism activity in the state of Goa.
But certain dates been out झाल्यो December.
Yeah, but we'll talk to them. There is nothing wrong. I know him at a personal level. I can talk to him, and department should also talk to them if they can consider bringing it to Goa, and government should also take the responsibility of talking to the Komnidad to come at a common platform. Because they had lot of hurdles. Last year, the Sunburn venue changed because of the hurdle. The rift between the Komnidad, certain members of the Komnidad and the organizers. So that's the reason it went to Penne. They didn't do well. So Wagator always does well because the number of tourists who comes over there are big in numbers.
So you think Sunburn should come?
Sunburn should come, and it should come to Wagator. The reason is because everybody gets good parking over there, and there are about 5-6 road which comes over there. So for traffic wise also it is very good. Economically it is very good for the locals.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
पापा आ रहे ये वाओ कितने सुंदर है ना अपने पापा।
बप्पा विराजमान होते ही अपना घर स्वर्ग जैसा सुंदर हो जाएगा।
अरे ये क्या, बाप्पा के हाथ में तो मोदक ही नहीं।
मेरा बाप्पा के हाथ पे ध्यान ही नहीं गया।
बाप्पा बिना मोदक के कैसे दिखेंगे?
पंचामृत है ना। ये लो पापा के लिए पंचामृत मोदक।
अब बाप्पा भी खुश और मैं भी।
घर घर में बाप्पा, घर घर में पंचामृत।